A galactic year, also known as a cosmic year or a stellar year, is a term used to describe the length of time it takes for the Sun to orbit once around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This astronomical phenomenon has significant implications for our understanding of the universe and how it operates. In this video, we will explore what galactic years are, how they are calculated, and why they are important in the field of astronomy. Whether you are a professional astronomer or simply curious about the workings of our galaxy, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the concept of galactic years. Understanding the concept of a galactic year is essential for grasping the vastness of our universe. A galactic year is the time it takes for the Sun to complete one orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This may sound like an arduous task, but considering the immense size of the galaxy, it is truly an astronomical feat. To put things into perspective, the Milky Way is estimated to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter. Consequently, the Sun and its surrounding planets must travel an extraordinary distance to complete one galactic year. While the exact duration of a galactic year is debatable, current estimates suggest it takes anywhere from 225 to 250 million Earth years for the Sun to complete one orbit. This remarkable span of time underscores the immense scale of cosmic activity occurring within our galaxy. The concept of galactic years holds great astronomical significance and helps us deepen our understanding of the universe. As mentioned earlier, a galactic year is the time it takes for the Sun to complete one orbit around the center of the Milky Way. This remarkable journey takes the Sun and its surrounding planets an estimated 225 to 250 million Earth years to complete. Before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. The immense duration of a galactic year highlights the cosmic activity occurring within our galaxy. It allows us to appreciate the vastness and complexity of the universe. By studying the duration of galactic years, scientists can gain insights into the age of galaxies, the formation of stars, and the evolution of planetary systems. Understanding galactic years also helps us grasp the timescale of celestial events and aids in predicting future cosmic events. This knowledge allows astronomers to make educated observations and contribute to the ever-expanding field of astrophysics. Calculating the duration of a galactic year involves complex astronomical calculations and scientific theories. Scientists use various methods and data to estimate the time it takes for the Sun to complete one orbit around the center of the Milky Way. One of the fundamental aspects of these calculations is the measurement of the rotational velocity of the Sun around the galaxy's center. By studying the motion of nearby stars and their distances from the center, scientists can make informed estimates about the duration of a galactic year. Additionally, the mass distribution of the Milky Way and the gravitational forces acting on the Sun's orbit play a significant role in these calculations. Scientists analyze the galactic structure and dynamics to further refine their understanding of the Sun's orbital period. The determination of the duration of a galactic year has significant implications for our understanding of the universe. By studying the motion and rotational velocity of the Sun around the center of the Milky Way, scientists can gain valuable insights into the structure and dynamics of our galaxy. These calculations not only provide us with a better understanding of our place in the cosmos, but also help us unravel mysteries about the formation and evolution of galaxies. By studying the mass distribution and gravitational forces within the Milky Way, scientists can make important connections between galactic dynamics and the behavior of celestial bodies within them. Furthermore, Determining the duration of a galactic year allows us to compare and contrast the life cycles of various galaxies across the universe. This information helps us to better comprehend the vastness of space and appreciate the mechanisms that govern its cosmic dance. In addition to studying the duration of a galactic year, scientists have also delved into other cosmic cycles that shape our understanding of the universe. One such cycle is the cosmic year, which is the time it takes for our solar system to complete one orbit around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. The cosmic year, similar to the galactic year, is a vital measurement that helps us comprehend the intricate dance of celestial bodies within our galaxy. By studying this cycle, scientists can determine not only the duration of our solar system's orbit, but also gain insights into the motions and interactions happening within our galactic neighborhood. Furthermore, these cosmic cycles also provide the basis for understanding larger astronomical phenomena. For instance, the study of supermassive black holes revolves around the concept of galactic years and cosmic years. By tracking the movements of stars around these massive objects, scientists can elucidate the gravitational forces at play and decipher the life cycles of galaxies. The study of galactic years and cosmic cycles has opened up a vast realm of possibilities for future research in galactic cosmology. Scientists are continually seeking to deepen their understanding of these cycles and uncover the mysteries hidden within our universe. One area of interest is the impact of galactic years on the evolution of galaxies. By studying the duration and patterns of galactic years, researchers can gain insight into how galaxies form, grow, and ultimately decline. This knowledge could provide valuable information about the fate of our own Milky Way and other galaxies in the cosmos. Additionally, scientists are exploring how galactic years could influence the habitability of planets within a galaxy. Understanding the galactic year could shed light on factors such as the stability of planetary orbits, the occurrence of mass extinctions, and even the potential for advanced civilizations to arise. As technology advances, researchers are also developing new methods and tools to study galactic years in more detail. Sophisticated telescopes and space probes offer opportunities to observe distant galaxies and gather data on their cycles, providing valuable data for further analysis. The study of galactic years offers a fascinating glimpse into the complex workings of our universe. By delving into the duration and patterns of these cosmic cycles, scientists are uncovering valuable insights into the evolution of galaxies and the potential for habitable planets within them. As technology continues to advance, researchers are equipped with increasingly sophisticated tools to observe and study galactic years. This offers a wealth of opportunities for gathering data and further analyzing the mysteries hidden within distant galaxies. The future of galactic year research is bright, and with each new discovery, our understanding of the cosmos deepens. So, stay tuned for more updates on this captivating field of study as scientists continue to unravel the secrets of galactic years and their profound impact on the universe as we know it.